Hello, well, following our first video with a smoothie, the tropical splash, now I will bring you another one. So this has some cinnamon, some blueberries, pineapples, coconut milk, cucumber, all that is rucola. So here are listed the recipes and the quantities, and it's just quite easy. So first we got the coconut grated, the cucumber and the milk, and we're gonna blend it. Yeah, you can add the pineapple in at this stage also, but I forgot and I gotta blend it twice. So as I forgot, as I mentioned, now I gotta to add the pineapple and just blend it. You blend it around 30 seconds each time. So after we blended with the ananas, so we're gonna add our blueberries and our rucola. If you don't like rucola, you can add also spinach or basically spinach or rucola. They both work well. Now we're gonna blend it again, just 20-30 seconds around that time, and our final blend will be to add the minced ginger and the cinnamon. Yes, this stage just blend it quite well that it gets smooth, as smooth you like, and there you go. Yeah, you see I got my portion to take to the office, and then I got the portion for my wife. She's gonna drink it at home. So I hope you like it. Check it out, the other recipe I posted, and I will keep posting some other ones. So one to go and one to drink. Take care. Cheers.